And when we're making love, we get to I'll take some time just to be thankful. The memory is all this memory.
Good morning, welcome back. Today's May 13th, 2022. And I'm in my school parking lot right now. I don't want to go to class. I'm like dreading it. Today I'm gonna be filming a little day in my life video. I love filming vlogs. You guys seem to really like vlogs. So today is a school day. I'm graduating literally so soon. So I'm definitely gonna be filming my last day of high school, but today is not that day. So today is just like another school vlog. That's at the end of the year. Yeah, I think today's gonna be a pretty easy day. Let's go into school. I'm back home. I've got like a 3-hour off period, so I'm gonna get some work done and practice my speech that I have to give today in front of my class. I want to show you guys my flowers that I got. Look at how gorgeous these are. Here, let me flip this. I just put them in my vase. My mom gave them to me and I'm literally obsessed because they are just the cutest things ever. And if you know me, I love flowers. It's kind of bad how obsessed I am with flowers. I'm gonna get some work done. I've got some math homework, astronomy, and then obviously practicing my recitation, which I'm gonna give. Are you excited? She's crazy. Hi guys.
Hey guys. Welcome back to the...
I came back from school. I did my recitation. My teacher said I did a good job, so hopefully I get a good grade on it. I think it went really well. And now my dad and I are gonna walk the dogs to the mailbox. It's really hot. Sizzling hot right now.
It's muggy, it's heavy.
That's really muggy. Here's Leo and Lacey. They're so cute. They're walking in sync. The dogs are so happy we're in the shade. We're getting the mail right now. You guys, my mascara just came in. When we were walking home, she literally honked the horn and scared me.
Yeah, that's what moms do.
It was terrifying. I have a package from Thrive Cosmetics, which is my mascara. So I'm gonna open that really quickly. Whew, I'm literally out of breath. I need to like down a whole water bottle. Oh, cute. Little cosmetics bag. My mascara. I know I've literally said this so much on my channel, but you guys need to get the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Literally incredible. Are we going to pick her up? She's gonna story.
Okay, so watch my car, don't back it.
Okay, look who's here.
Literally 3 things.
Hi. Daddy Maddie, Thea. A hot garlic knot. For our appetizer, we got garlic knots.
What do you rate it, Maddie?
An 8.
Very bland.
She got her pizza knots.
That girl knows who you are.
Oh my god.
Are you serious? So basically, what I've just established is that I wear my heart on my sleeve and it just F's me over every time.
I just don't feel anything.
I'm just so...
There's a toy.
Jojo Bobo.
Jojo. All right, what are we getting? Frozen strawberries.
And this.
And this.
And then we're
Wait, is that a pineapple on it?
Yeah, we can't get that. They both have pineapples in them.
So we're getting stuff for tomorrow for prom. Hey guys, happy May 23rd. Tomorrow's actually my last day of school. It's been like a week since I filmed, so I'm continuing this video. And yeah, today's gonna be really fun. I'm about to go on a walk on some trails near my neighborhood with Sophia, and we're gonna walk Leo and Lacey. I'm gonna give you guys an OOTD of my outfit because it's really, really cute. This whole fit is from Story, which is Alani Nu's athletic brand. So first I've got this little workout top, and then for shorts today, these are their navy blue ones. I just got 2 packages on the doorstep, so let's open it. I did like 50 squats yesterday and my butt hurts really bad right now. First package is from Dick's Sporting Goods. This morning I filmed a high school advice video that will probably come out after this video. Get ready because I'm graduating in 4 days. I gave you guys all the inside scoop. Everything you need to know. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, first off, we have a top from Free People. This is adorable. All right, next we have a top from Adidas. Women's train top in Vapor Pink. This is making me want to change right now. And then the back looks like this. Love workout tops. And then last we have, a skirt from Free People. Okay, this is so cute. I literally have a white one that I just worked with Dick's Sporting Goods like 2 months ago. And for that brand deal, I wore a white one in this exact style. And I literally said that it was my favorite. So I guess they sent a black one. And then we've got another package from Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's see what it is. I literally love packages. It feels like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be my shoe of the summer. I'm calling it right now. Wait, this is so cute. I only own 1 pair of Birkenstocks and I think I have worn the heck out of them because I got them in like 2018, 2019. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, these are just plain white Birkenstocks, but I have been wanting these literally forever. Oh, I gotta hide these. My mom is gonna take them. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Dick's Sporting Goods. If y'all are watching this, I love working with y'all. You never disappoint. Oh, I think it's Fia. Hey, come on. Oh, I think Fia's on her way. Oh yeah, Fia is about to get here. I'm so excited. This is also cute. Thank you so much, Dick's Sporting Goods. Leo stopped.
Come on, let's go. You're almost done. Look at his tongue, it's so long. Come on, let's go.
Wait, just got back from our little walk with the dogs. This is my swimsuit for today. Bottoms are from Triangle, top is from Target. Fia, OOTD.
So my bottoms are from, where's the thing? Lulu.
Yes.
My top is from Lulu and my shirt is Free People. I didn't have school, so I packed up some stuff because we're moving. Yep, just that.
Because we're moving.
We're moving.
How does it feel?
Oh,
Is it cold?
yeah, kind of.
That is cold. Okay, I'm gonna put on some sunscreen. Just a little bit. Oh!
That smell just like reminds me of Schlitterbahn.
Yes!
Why does that smell exactly like Schlitterbahn? I was gonna say South Padre Island, but that's even better.
Schlitterbahn. Comment down below if you guys have ever gone to Schlitterbahn. Fia and I are going to pick up Maddie right now.
Then we're going to my house so I can change.
And then, what are we doing?
We're going downtown. Actually no, then we're going to get gas. Okay, I just dropped Maddie and Fia off at her house and I'm currently filling up my gas while they pick out an outfit for Fia.
We are on our way. Actually, we just got here. We're in Austin at a parking garage because we're going to eat at
True Food.
Yeah, that place.
Maddie's not getting the cauliflower.
No, don't get that.
Meet and greet. Pull up.
I'm
pull up. Pulling up with. Pull up in the under.
I'm getting a pizza, and then there's also this place called the Baked Bear.
Yeah.
And it's like this.
It's called the Caked Bear, actually.
No, it's not. They're being so annoying. Like, shut up. Remember when we sat in this parking lot? Remember when we? Oh my god.
bro. What? There was literally 3 empty right there.
Remember when we sat in this parking lot and planned out a trip that we were gonna go to like Oklahoma?
Oh my god. Yes. This side of Wait, let me see. This side of Oklahoma City by Zach Bryan.
I never even got to finish my sentence.
Oh my god.
Cutting me off.
Oklahoma City. Sorry, I thought there was somebody walking by. I'm gonna get spaghetti squash casserole.
I'm gonna get pizza.
I think I'm gonna get a burger, but
they don't have burger.
Grass-fed patty. We're here. You need more? You guys, this hummus is so good. What do you think? I'm ready. Do you like it?
Yeah, I don't eat that though, because I don't like that stuff, so I'm eating the pita bread.
So rude. Let's get real.
Respectfully, get your cake.
Guys, today was my last day of school. I passed my math finals. I just had to go for my math final, and I was so scared I wasn't gonna pass, and I did.
You were so smart.
87, baby.
I'm actually really proud of you. That's
Really?
Coming back on Wednesday. You guys, this looks amazing. I come back on the 30th.
Yes, please.
Thank you so much.
Margarita pizza.
Yummy.
It actually does look really good.
Just got a chai. Give a taste test. 7. Okay, so Fia got coffee, but Maddie and I want to get ice cream, so we're going to Baked Bear, getting some good.
Are you getting some there? No, that's fine.
Oh.
Wait,
Wait, what'd you get?
Guys, my butt
Wait,
A snickerdoodle.
Look at my butt.
we got cookie sandwich with bear batter ice cream.
She made me share.
That looks good. We got funfetti on the top and cookies and cream on the bottom. We're on a mission.
Okay, you can end this.
How?
No, I know where we're going.
Okay, so we're close.
I look to my right and I see the homie.